Top 10 questions that science can't answer. Number 1. What is the nature of dark matter? Almost a century ago, astronomers discovered that distant galaxies contain more matter than is accounted for by visible matter. This missing matter, known as dark matter, accounts for 27% of the visible universe's mass energy and played a significant role in determining how the universe evolved. The popular scientific guess is that it is composed of fast, moving particles that interact so weakly with the ordinary, baryonic matter of stars and planets they can pass unimpeded through many kilometers of ordinary matter. But to date, no such particles have been detected, and the basic nature of dark matter remains a mystery. Number 2. What happened before the Big Bang? We know that the universe started with an explosion, the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago, and has been expanding ever since. Although it is possible that the universe goes through infinite cycles of expansion and contraction, the conventional scientific view is that everything, including time, began with the Big Bang. As a result, asking what happened before that is pointless. There was no before. Few scientists are pleased with this response. Some believe that time began only when the universe reached a certain level of complexity. General relativity explains the structure of the universe, but it fails when scientists get too close to the Big Bang itself. Number 3. Are we alone in the universe? There are at least 1 trillion galaxies visible in the visible universe, and we live in the Milky Way galaxy, which contains more than 100 billion stars. Planets orbit many stars, and NASA data suggests that up to 20% of planets are potentially habitable. Even our galaxy has 33 million potentially habitable planets. Given the abundance of planets, it appears highly unlikely that we humans are the only intelligent beings in the universe. The SETI Institute search for extraterrestrial intelligence scans the sky for radio signals broadcast by alien civilizations. SETI has so far detected no intelligent signals, but has only targeted a few thousand stars. However, it is still early days. Number 4. Why do we dream? Scientists and sleep experts know when people normally dream. Typically, you dream during the rapid eye movement REM portion of the sleep cycle. You can see when a person or even your cat or dog is experiencing REM sleep because their eyes zip to and fro and their bodies may twitch and jerk, too. The brain's electrical patterns are very active in this phase, just like when you're awake. But researchers don't really know why you dream. It may be a way of reflecting on or releasing the stress of everyday life, or even an unconscious way of helping you unravel challenging experiences. It could be a way that your mind protects itself from threats and dangers. Number 5. What happens when you die? Everyone on the planet wishes to know what happens to them after they die. And, hey, there are billions of people who already know the answer. Unfortunately, they won't be able to tell us anything because, well, they're all dead. Scientists have discovered the first stages of death. They understand how the human body begins to shut down. What happens after your brain switches off, on the other hand, remains a complete mystery. Many people who have had near-death experiences and then resurrected talk about tunnels of light, flashbacks to life events, or conversations with loved ones who have died. Number 6. How many species are on Earth? Earth is home to an amazing variety of animals and plants. Pink flamingos fill the skies, elephants stomp through the savannas, and strange fruits and ferns hide in crevices all over. We'll never know how many species exist on our planet. There are simply too many. But that hasn't stopped scientists from attempting to find that elusive number. After generations of work, by some estimates, we've still only accounted for 1.5 million species, or around 15% of the total number. Perhaps the bigger concern is that species seem to be disappearing at a rate faster than at any time since dinosaurs vanished 65 million years ago. Number 7. How did life begin? Trees, grasses, birds, and bees abound on our planet. It's also infested with zillions of bacteria. Everything is life, and everything reproduces to keep its kind alive. But how did life even begin in the first place? The short answer is that we don't know how life began. There's a chance that aliens dropped off a few microbes 4 billion years ago and let them loose. Of course, many religions have supernatural explanations for the origins of life. Number 8. Is time travel possible? As science fiction concepts go, time travel is one of the most captivating. It's hard not to wonder what it would be like to zip back into history to witness a Roman battle in action. As it turns out, time travel might not be fiction. It may be that we just haven't quite figured out how to make it work for us. We could try traveling at the speed of light, but your world would be significantly slower than the one you left behind. But, according to current science, nothing can move faster than light, and even if we could, it would rip our bodies apart. Number 9. Is the universe truly infinite? When you look up at night and see the uncountable stars scattered across the sky, it's easy to imagine the universe to be infinite. Or perhaps you see those lights as similar to the glow-in-the-dark stars on your bedroom ceiling, just pretty decorations to look at. A high but dead-end ceiling. We'll probably have to spend the rest of our lives wondering about the true size of the universe. It's a mystery, like so many others, full of enticing allure that draws our attention but never provides any real answers. Number 10. What is the nature of dark energy? Prior to the 20th century, astronomers thought the universe was static. But Edwin Hubble discovered the universe is expanding in 1929. Later, 1998, the Hubble Space Telescope revealed not only an expanding galaxy, but one that was expanding at an accelerating rate, propelled by a mysterious force known as dark energy. This dark energy accounts for 68% of the universe's mass energy, and it has a greater impact on its evolution than dark matter. Science knows nothing about the fundamental nature of dark energy,